G'day everyone, Scott from the Scale Model Supply here. Update video regarding the Bushmaster challenge build that we're running. Today is the 16th of July, so technically today is the official start date. I just want to put an update that we put the last video out a couple of weeks ago regarding the announcement and all that sort of stuff, and what we're going to do with the build itself. We put the listing up for the pre-order for the kit same time as we put up the video, and I'm very pleased to announce that we sold out of those 30 pre-orders within 2 days. Majority, 22 of the 30 went within a couple of hours on the Friday night, and then the last few over the next day or so trickled through over the weekend, and we were quite pleased to be able to donate that $1,200 directly to Beyond Blue. That was done on the following Tuesday. So a few days later, after we did the donation, we got a lovely email from a lady called Eve from Beyond Blue, who was very blown away with the amount that we donated, and she sent me a lovely email asking what it was all about, and was very generous of the donation we gave, which was all thanks to everyone who bought that pre-order. Without you guys' support, we wouldn't have been able to do that. And explained to her exactly what it was for, and sent her a link to the previous video, and yeah, she was quite amazed at what we're going to be doing. And she's told me that the donation is actually going towards helping funding their phone services and support services. And now the next problem we've got is the Bushmaster kits have been delayed. Unfortunately, due to COVID, shipping sometimes is on time, sometimes it's early, but sometimes it's not. We found out a few days ago that the kits themselves are on the boat heading over to Australia, but they were about, I think from memory, what I was told, 10 days overdue from where they should have been, which means they should be arriving at the Port of Botany in Sydney later next week, and then a few more days to get it unloaded, unpacked, and then up to our friends at Hobbies Australia in Newcastle, and then a couple more days down to me, and then a couple more days out to you, sort of thing. So you're looking at another 2 weeks before we get the kits here at SMS HQ. That doesn't mean if you've got the kit, that doesn't mean you don't have to wait for us. You can, if you've got it already, because some people have got it from overseas, some people got it from other avenues inside the country. If so, please just get cracking on it. Upload to the group like we talked about before. And so yeah, a couple of weeks before we do that. So what's going to happen now is I'm not going to change the start date, as I said. So the start date will still be the 16th, which is as of recording today. But what we'll do is we'll look at extending the close date depending on when the kits actually arrive. So if they're arriving within 2 weeks, which will take us up to the end of July, we'll add an extra 2 weeks onto the end for submissions, which is just fair, just make sure everyone's got at least 6 weeks to do this build. So yeah, that's where we're at the moment with the challenge build. So we'll do another couple of updates as the kits come in, because I'll be looking at doing a review so I can show everyone the kit itself, and maybe do a build myself. We don't know yet. So anyway, thanks very much for all your support, especially with the pre-orders, which, as I said, it has allowed us to donate that money to Beyond Blue. So we're very, very grateful and very, very thankful for everyone for your support and helping us raise this money. So anyway, as I said, you know where I am. Links, comments down below. scalemodel.com.au, Facebook, Scale Model Supply, Instagram, Twitter, all that jazz. Get in contact if you need to. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.